Hi, everybody. My name is Jacob Franey. I looked at the article by Shine et al. Titled Guided Ordering Clinician Interactions with Complex Order Sets. This particular assignment was difficult for me. My background is not in biomedical informatics or informatics at all for that matter. I'm a clinical research professional. I have lots of experience in randomized controlled trials, so that is a comfortable space for me. This particular article was a case series study where the authors looked at prompt questions in an EMR system and whether or not they were accurate and useful when determining outcomes and discharge notes. It was a historical study, so all of the data that they reviewed was previously entered. There were also two components to the study. There was the historical review of the data, as well as a questionnaire component that kind of threw me for a loop, trying to figure out how to classify that. But in turn, I did come to the conclusion that this was a case series study. It's not a singular case, so therefore it can't be a case study. But since these were kind of snapshots, they were 180 different cases that would classify as a case series study in my mind. The outcome of the study, they determined that the prompt questions themselves were not entirely helpful in determining discharge diagnoses, and it was mostly due to human error and human unwillingness to answer the questions. The clinicians were not willing to answer them accurately as they didn't believe they were useful or helpful. So moving forward, they would like to, better refine those questions so that they are helpful in helping outcomes in the long term.